Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today I'm reviewing this wig from Unice hair. They sent me a water wave, y'all. It's the water wave. Comment below if you love water wave wigs, okay? I love this water wave wig. If you guys want to see me unbox this wig and install it, tell you all the details on it, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this review. All right, you guys, so we're doing another review from Unice hair. You know, this is my favorite company to work with, so this ain't the first rodeo. All right, so inside we have our goodie bag, elastic band. This is a brush of some sorts. Cute, soft. We have a little wig cap, bonnet in here, and of course some lashes. All right, you guys, so this is what the wig is looking like. This is a 20-inch water wave, 150% density. It feels so soft and beautiful. I'm really excited about this. This is a close-up on the end. Sorry, I got my fan on, y'all. It's hot. This is the lace. It is a 13x4. It looks very good. Very good. So, oh my gosh, this feels so soft. I don't even know, but I love water wave hair. I definitely wanted one of these for the summer because, you know, summertime means curly hair, okay? Curly hair and bobs all summer. But yes, so I was so excited to get this, so I'm very excited to install this. I'm just going to pluck a little bit off camera, of course, put some foundation on the parting. I really love this deep parting we have here. I don't know what I'm going to do, probably a side part, I don't know. But yes, let's go ahead and get into it. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I'm all done with this wig. This is how it came out. These curls look so beautiful. All I put in it was a little bit of this Mix Chicks curling cream and some castor oil, just a little bit. And then I spruced up my baby hairs. I want to do something a little dramatic because I was doing curly hair. I was in the mood. Anyway, and then I did this like little flip over, no real part, just like a little flip side action, you know. Yeah, anyway, I think it is a give. I think it's giving. I think it's giving. Yeah, I think she's giving. Let me show you guys the back real quick. This is the back. Show it. Yes, yes. Here is a close-up on the lace. The lace is looking spectacular, absolutely spectacular. Okay, so yes, a little recap. This is a 13x4 frontal water wave in 20 inches. And she's beautiful. She's a go. She was easy to install. The wig cap fit really nice and tight, so it was easy to lay the wig down because there wasn't a lot of movement. And then I just used my got-to-be spray, you know. And yeah, she came out good. Good. I'll definitely be taking her. I'm most definitely wearing her for the rest of the day. Okay, I'm not taking her off. Also, I believe this is 150% density, but make sure you guys always check out the description box below because it has a discount code, all the details, websites where you can find it, all that jazz, okay? And anything that I might say wrong in this video will be corrected in the description box below, okay? Anyway, she's cute. She's cute. I could definitely do a half up, half down with this one. Super cute. Super cute. She's giving balls beat. I don't know why I'm enjoying wearing this dark lip during the summer, but I did put on a red lipstick and I was like, no, that's a immediate no, okay? And I don't know, I didn't want to do nude again, so here we are. Anyway, that is the end of my review. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Oh yes, a couple more things. This wig did shed just a little bit when I was like combing my hands through it and putting the conditioner in, but that is to be expected with curly hair. But it is very soft. I haven't been getting like any tangles in it or anything. And when I tell you it's soft, I mean it's like it's so soft, you guys. If and when you purchase this wig, when you get it and start running your hands through it, you're gonna feel me when I say this hair is so freaking soft. And I love these little water wave curls. They're very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. But yes, thank you again for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.